Here's how to change your storage location to internal memory or SD card on your Samsung phone, and in the end you'll find a very good life hack for enhancing your phone experience. So first of all, make sure that you have your SD card inserted and that you have enough memory on it. So now let's talk about moving apps to our SD card. So open up our settings, then locate our apps, and in our apps locate any application which you want to move. For example, let's move our Snapchat. You are simply to choose an application here, then locate your storage. Here as you'll see your storage used. Press change button and choose SD card. Press move, and the desired application, in our case Snapchat, is going to be moved. As for the other files, we are simply to open up My Files application. Here you locate your SD card and your internal storage. So internal storage is our main storage, built-in storage, and SD card is our SD card. So choose any file from internal storage. For example, we want to choose this video. Hold your finger on it, press move. Now simply choose SD card. You can either drop it directly to SD card or to some folder. I'll press move here. Now let's check, go back to our SD card, and here is our moved file. And basically that's it. Now your application and your files can be kept on your SD card, which frees up some space for a useful data, right? So here is a tip. If you want your device to work correctly, to work fastly, to work normally, I recommend you to open up your device gears option. Here locate your storage and check up for your storage. So if you have any trash files, any unused files, duplicate files, do not forget to check it out, to clean it, because it really matters, and your phone will be more enjoyable and it will work much faster. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.